So the wound and the dream live in the same place. Another way of saying that is the unwanted and the wanted live in the same place. What does that mean? For every negative experience or unwanted experience that we have, there is an opposite frequency born within us, a desire that's born, and it's seeking to be architected and manifested through us. Now, for a lot of people, this desire can cause a lot of suffering because it feels like there's too much of a gap between the unwanted experience that they're currently living in and the wanted experience, which would be healing for them. But obviously we didn't get here overnight, so it's not going to happen overnight. And the other thing is that the physical material plane of transformation that we're in, things move a little bit slower here. So it's a non-physical process, though involving the physiology of alchemy, of heeding the call that our body, our psyche, our soul is saying, hey, pay attention, there's something here, I need you to be with me, I need you to transform this, so that we can actually step into the architecture that was born the minute that that wound was created and actually materialize and actualize the healing experience. That's our work.